Hi guys, and what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to demonstrate how to stretch your shoes. I bought these shoes from Primark for £13, and what I find with these shoes is that they're just a little bit tight, especially when it comes to the tip of the shoe. They're just really tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to stretch the tip and not anywhere else on the shoe, because the shoes will be a little bit too big if I stretch them elsewhere. So what you're going to need is any ordinary food bag. I've got some food bags here from Tesco's. Food and freeze bags. Yeah, so you're able to actually put them into the freezer and they'll freeze. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the bags, and first of all I'm going to do a water test. Don't know whether you can see the bag. The lighting's a bit dodgy in here, so don't mind that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a full cup of water and I'm going to pour the water into the bag to check whether the bag is watertight. You need to check whether the bag is watertight because you don't want the water to leak into the shoe, because that will actually damage the shoe. You don't want that. So yeah, there we go. So I'm going to dispose of that bag. Now, because I only want to stretch the tip of the shoe, I'm only going to fill up my bag with a little bit of water. So I'm going to put most probably about half a cup of water in there. So about that much of water. About that much of water. And what I'm going to do is I've squeezed out all the air. I'm going to tie the bag into a knot so that the water doesn't leak out. And I'm going to insert the bag. So basically, it's going to look something like that. I'm also going to do the same to the second shoe. And get the bag, the half mug of water, pour it in, and then I'm going to tie the knot. So I've got this much of water. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully place the bag into the shoe so it looks like that. So now that I've got both shoes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these into the freezer, and I'm going to leave them in the freezer overnight. So basically what happens is when I put them in the freezer, as the water freezes, it expands. So basically what's that going to do is stretch the shoe. Excuse me, I seem to not be getting my words out correctly. So yeah, I'm going to do this as a two-part video because I'm using my phone. So I'm going to leave them in the freezer overnight, which is about, I don't know, about 10 to 9 hours. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to get them out. Okay.